Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong in Amazon Music. So if you see that message or that error appears to you in this app, it's a generic error usually caused by connection issues, app bugs or account sync problems. So to solve the issue, only does first to start by checking your internet. So that's the most important. So all you need to do is to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also you will need to turn the airplane mode, the option that you can see at the top of my screen, on, then off, and try a more stable connection if possible, so you can switch to another Wi-Fi or use the mobile data if effective. So this error often appears when the app can't load content. Also, we really advise you to restart the app and your phone as well. So just first close the Amazon Music, and how to do that, so you will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up the app, okay? And that way you first closed it, and that's way you closed it completely from the recent apps too. So now what I want you to do, I just want you to restart your phone, and once restarted, open it again. Okay, also we really advise you to turn off the VPN if you're using it. So VPNs can cause region or connection issues. Disable it and try again. Also guys, I do really advise you to check for an update. So just go with your Apple App Store or Google Play Store, use the search bar below and type right there Amazon Music. Okay, so once it's found, just tap it and tap on updates if available. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.